Find the mode for this list of numbers. Now, what's a mode? So a mode is the number or numbers the number that occurs the most often. So it's a third kind of average. Let's look over here. So 55, that only occurs once. 8, I only see one of those. 72, only see, oh no, there is 72, 72. Now, is that the only repeated number? Let's see, 188, 121, 118, 14, 31, 61. Yeah, so the answer then is 72 because that's the number that occurs the most often. Now, that's a type of average. I know you might think, well, that is a weird, how's that the average? Well, think about it like, what if somebody said, what's the average shoe size? They don't want you to add up a bunch of people's shoe sizes and divide, right? They just mean the one that occurs the most often, don't they? Or what if they said, what's the average number of kids per family in the United States? Right? How about that question? Average number of kids per family. They don't mean like 2.3. I mean, we have a joke about that, 2.3. If you add them up and divide, they mean what occurs the most often? Like 2 kids per family? Is it 3 kids per family? You know, what is it? Whatever, probably 2. What number occurs the most often? So that's a kind of average. You would never do it for some data sets, like test scores, right? I would never say the average is the test score that occurred the most often. That would be the wrong kind of average. But for shoe size or for number of kids per family, then mode is a good kind of average. It's the number that occurs the most